remember to always buy all your products at Kyle Phillips Telecom, Coventry, Rhode Island. For all your telecom needs. Cameras, everything for your businesses, houses, everything. Because Kyle told me to get a GoPro. That's